Hi guys, Shelly here coming at you from Athens, Georgia with a quick message for those of you who are tired of struggling to create an income online. Now, you see, I came online needing to supplement my income, like so many of you out there, only to come across false promises of income and support from other marketers who wanted me to join their businesses. I've literally been stranded at automated company replicated training sites, stuck with sponsors who did not tell me that they had a list of people to join them in their business, even though I didn't. And I've even tried those so-called company duplicable income systems that are supposed to work, but never actually did. Now, I could go on and on here, but my point is that I learned more and experienced more results within my first 2 weeks with Dave D. Williamson and the Social Pro Revolution movement than I have in my entire time online. But most importantly, I now know not only what works, but I know why it works. I also have a free one-on-one coach and a system that shows me how to actually brand myself as a leader that others will want to get to know, trust, like, and either buy from or join me in my business, rather than branding some business opportunity like most other leaders will teach you to do. And the Social Pro Revolution training system is brief, simple to understand, and they actually care about my success. Now, you're watching my video testimonial here today because you care about creating success. So don't give up, guys. The answer to your dreams are Dave and the Social Pro Revolution movement, and I dare you to prove me wrong on that one. The Social Pro Revolution movement is the only program that I will be working from now on because it is that powerful, you guys. So check it out for yourselves. Thank you for watching, and have an awesome day.